Managing recruiting teams effectively on Top Echelon can significantly improve your recruitment process and streamline team collaboration. If you're new to the software or looking to get the most out of your recruiting team management, this quick guide will walk you through exactly how to do it. Top Echelon is designed to help recruitment professionals collaborate, track candidates, and improve the hiring process. The platform offers a variety of tools that can simplify your recruitment efforts while also helping to manage multiple recruiting teams efficiently. Whether you're managing a small group or coordinating with larger teams, Top Echelon has you covered. The first thing you'll notice when managing recruiting teams on Top Echelon is the ability to create and manage different user roles. This feature is essential because it allows you to assign specific access levels to team members based on their responsibilities. For example, you can create a team with limited access, giving only certain members the ability to modify candidate information or access sensitive data. By managing these roles effectively, you can maintain security while still allowing everyone to collaborate on the same project. When it comes to tracking candidate pipelines, Top Echelon offers tools that allow your recruiting team to stay organized. The software provides a centralized database where all team members can easily view and update the status of candidates, making collaboration seamless. You can also set up alerts and notifications to keep your team informed of any new activity or changes in the candidate's status. This way, you'll never miss an important update and your team will always stay on the same page. Another key feature of managing teams within Top Echelon is the ability to leverage its robust communication tools. You can create group chats or direct messages to easily communicate with your team members without leaving the platform. This helps reduce the need for back and forth emails or meetings, allowing your team to stay focused on what matters, getting the best candidates hired. To help keep track of all the tasks that need to be completed, you can set up reminders and to-do lists for individual team members. This keeps everyone accountable and ensures no task gets forgotten in the recruitment process. It's an easy way to break down the overall project into smaller, manageable steps and track team progress as you go. Now, if you're wondering how to best assign roles to new hires or recruit candidates within your team, Top Echelon's matching system can help make that process even smoother. The software provides detailed filtering options to sort candidates based on skills, experience, and other factors. This way, your team can quickly identify the best candidates to prioritize, saving valuable time in the recruitment process. But that's not all. Top Echelon integrates with other software and tools you may already be using, such as job boards or CRM systems. This integration can help your recruiting team remain productive while centralizing all the necessary data within one platform. No more switching between multiple systems and dealing with integration headaches. For those looking to truly take advantage of Top Echelon's full potential, it's important to take the time to train your team on how to use the software. The platform is intuitive, but understanding all the different features and functionalities will help your team use it more efficiently. Don't forget that you can schedule team-wide training sessions and refer to the platform's extensive help center for any questions you may have along the way. As you explore the full potential of managing your recruiting teams with Top Echelon, keep in mind that the software offers unique reporting features to help you measure your team's performance. These insights can be valuable in identifying areas for improvement or recognizing which parts of the recruiting process are running smoothly. Lastly, don't forget that you can try Top Echelon for free through the exclusive link in the description below. By using this link, you'll also get access to an extended free trial, giving you the perfect opportunity to explore the full range of features and see how they work for your recruiting team. So, if you want to learn how to manage your recruiting teams effectively and improve your hiring process, make sure to take advantage of the free trial available via the first link below.